I've just installed my new solid state drive, as you can see, my computer is still pulled apart at the moment, but I'm just going to show you what the boot times are like for Windows 8. Unfortunately, I've got dual boot for Windows 7 and Windows 8, so it's not really going to be that fast, but I'll just at least try and show you just how much of a difference it makes with a solid state drive. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start by pressing the power button. And unfortunately my motherboard has a pretty slow post, but you know, we're not trying to break any records here. I'm going to try and press enter as fast as I can. There you go, all booted up, ready to go. It's pretty quick.